The market is a battlefield, and the sharpest investors know where to find the hidden treasure. Cheap stocks on the cusp of a dramatic surge. Forget the overpriced tech giants. Today, I'm sharing 7 companies that could fundamentally transform your portfolio by 2026. Don't go anywhere, because the final stock on our list is a silent powerhouse that could deliver life-changing returns. Let's kick off our countdown with our first high-potential pick, Soleno Therapeutics Inc., ticker SLNO. Soleno Therapeutics is a California-based clinical-stage biopharmaceutical company dedicated to novel therapeutics for serious illnesses, with a primary focus on Prader-Willi syndrome. The company's flagship product, VYKAT XR, is a game-changer. It's the first and only FDA-approved treatment for hyperphagia in PWS patients, marking a monumental milestone for the company and the patient community. Soleno's Q3 2025 financial results were nothing short of breathtaking. They reported an EPS of 47 cents, a colossal 840% above expectations, and revenue hit $66 million, 39% above forecasts. This propelled the company into profitability, generating $26 million in net income and $43.5 million in cash from operating activities. Despite a brief dip in stock price following a short seller report, VYKAT XR's commercial launch is rapidly gaining traction, with 1,043 patient start forms and 764 active patients by the end of Q3 2025 from nearly 500 unique prescribers. Soleno has also secured broad payer coverage for approximately 132 million lives, ensuring widespread access. The analyst community is overwhelmingly bullish. All 13 analysts covering SLNO have assigned a buy rating, with a median price target of $110, implying a staggering 114% upside potential from current levels. Goldman Sachs recently initiated coverage with a buy rating and a $125 price target, projecting VYKAT XR sales could reach $3 billion by 2035, significantly higher than consensus estimates. With over $556 million in cash and a $100 million share repurchase program, Soleno is entering a new phase of value creation, presenting a truly compelling opportunity for investors seeking explosive growth by 2026. Next up, Catalyst Pharmaceuticals, ticker CPRX. Catalyst Pharmaceuticals is a commercial-stage biopharmaceutical company focused on developing and commercializing treatments for rare neurological and neuromuscular diseases in the United States. They recently reported truly exceptional Q3 2025 results, with EPS of $0.68, which crushed analyst forecasts by over 106% and revenue reaching $148.4 million, surpassing expectations by nearly 9%. This stellar performance was driven by powerful growth from their key products. Firdapse, for LEMS, saw revenue surge 16.2% year-over-year, and Agamree, for Duchenne muscular dystrophy, exploded with a 115.2% revenue increase. Catalyst is not just growing, it's building a fortress. They've raised their full-year 2025 revenue guidance to an impressive $565 to $585 million and maintain an extraordinarily strong financial position with a staggering $689.9 million in cash and, remarkably, no debt. This financial firepower is further bolstered by a $200 million share repurchase program running through December 2026, signaling immense management confidence. Critically, Firdapse benefits from robust patent protection until February 2035, securing a vital revenue stream with a multi-billion-dollar addressable market that's still largely untapped. Agamree's adoption is equally remarkable, with 100% penetration across top DMD centers. With every analyst covering the stock assigning a buy rating and a median price target suggesting nearly 50% upside, Catalyst Pharmaceuticals represents a high-conviction play in the rare disease space, combining exceptional financial performance, strategic product protection, and a clear runway for continued expansion. Moving on to number 5, CVS Health Corporation, ticker CVS. CVS Health Corporation is a leading diversified healthcare company, deeply embedded in the American healthcare landscape through its pharmacy services, vast retail pharmacy footprint, and health insurance segments. The company recently delivered robust Q3 2025 performance with adjusted EPS of $1.60, significantly exceeding analyst expectations, and record revenue of $103 billion, an impressive 8% increase year-over-year. This strong momentum has led CVS to raise its 2025 guidance for the third consecutive quarter, with adjusted EPS now projected between $6.55 and $6.65. Looking ahead, CVS has set ambitious targets for 2026, aiming for revenue of at least $400 billion and adjusted EPS of $7.00 to $7.20, with a mid-teens adjusted EPS compound annual growth rate projected through 2028. Its diversified business model, particularly its healthcare benefits segment, is showing significant improvement, achieving industry-leading Medicare Advantage Stars ratings for 2026. While CVS faces challenges, including a substantial goodwill impairment related to tempered growth plans for Oak Street Health and ongoing pressures in its pharmacy benefit manager segment, the company is actively innovating with its true cost model for PBM services, enhancing transparency for clients. Analysts remain bullish, with multiple firms raising price targets, reflecting confidence in CVS Health's strategic direction and its successful turnaround efforts. Despite recent headwinds, CVS's resilience, strategic pivots, and strong cash flow make it an incredibly attractive long-term play, trading at what many consider a substantial discount. Coming up next, we have Biomarin Pharmaceutical Inc., ticker BMRN. Biomarin Pharmaceutical is a biotechnology company dedicated to developing and commercializing therapies for rare genetic diseases, operating in over 55 countries. The company has demonstrated strong financial health, with an 11% year-to-date revenue increase, driven by its flagship products Voxzogo and Palynziq, which have shown robust growth of 24% and 20% respectively year-to-date. Voxzogo, for instance, is on track for $900 to $935 million in fiscal year 25 revenue, representing a significant 25% growth. Biomarin recently raised its full year 2025 total revenue guidance to $3.15 to $3.2 billion and is undergoing strategic restructuring, including the divestment of its Roctavian gene therapy program, to focus intensely on its high-growth core business units. Despite some competitive pressures in the achondroplasia market leading to a withdrawal of their ambitious 2027 guidance and a slight Q3 earnings miss, Biomarin maintains a formidable financial position with approximately $2 billion in cash on hand and robust operating cash flow. The company also boasts a perfect Piotrowski score of 9, signaling exceptional financial strength. What's truly intriguing is its valuation. Biomarin trades at a forward PE of just 14.6 times and a mere 9.7 times for FY26, suggesting it's significantly undervalued relative to its growth potential and current fair value of $72.12. With an exciting pipeline including the potential expansion of Palynziq and pivotal data for Voxzogo in hypochondroplasia by mid-2026, Biomarin offers a compelling blend of strong fundamentals, strategic focus, and a discounted valuation. At number 3, Icon Public Limited Company, ticker ICLR. Icon plc is a global contract research organization, or CRO, providing outsourced drug development and commercialization services to the pharmaceutical, biotechnology, and medical device sectors across 55 countries. Despite navigating a challenging market, Icon consistently outperforms earnings expectations. In Q3 2025, they delivered an EPS of $3.31 and revenue of $2.043 billion, both surpassing analyst forecasts. The company is under new CEO Barry Balfe, who is implementing strategic initiatives focused on accelerating top-line growth, rigorous cost management, and significant technological innovation, including investments in AI-enabled technologies and process automation to enhance efficiency. While Icon has faced some near-term headwinds, specifically elevated cancellations totaling $900 million in Q3, management expects these to normalize in 2026. This transient issue has created an opportune entry point. Icon boasts strong free cash flow generation, with $334 million in Q3 alone and $687 million year-to-date, providing ample flexibility for strategic investments. They're also aggressively returning capital to shareholders, having repurchased $750 million in shares year-to-date. Their strategic expansion has grown partnerships with 17 to 18 of the top 20 pharma companies, providing a stable revenue base. With a fair value estimated at $254.94 against its current price, Icon presents significant upside for investors willing to look past short-term noise and bet on a high-quality company poised for re-acceleration in the coming years. Stay tuned, because the companies ahead are equally compelling. with even higher upside potential. Next up, we have Cigna Group, ticker CI. Cigna Group is a diversified healthcare leader offering a comprehensive suite of insurance, pharmacy benefits management, and specialty healthcare services globally. The company recently reported robust Q3 2025 financial results, with adjusted EPS of $7.83 and revenue of $69.7 billion, both handily beating analyst expectations. However, the stock experienced an 18% dip following an announcement of anticipated margin pressure in its pharmacy benefit management unit for 2026 to 2027. This is due to Cigna's strategic pivot towards a new, transparent, rebate-free PBM model, replacing the traditional system with upfront discounts. While this transition requires significant near-term investments in technology and operations, it strategically positions Cigna to address evolving market demands and potential regulatory changes, ultimately driving better long-term valuation. Furthermore, Cigna has proactively secured massive long-term renewals with major clients, including the U.S. Department of Defense, Prime Therapeutics, and Centene, collectively representing approximately $90 billion in annual revenue through the end of the decade. This provides an incredibly stable and predictable revenue stream, trading at a decade-low valuation with a forward PE of just 9.24 and a substantial discount to its fair value of 387.40. Cigna presents a compelling entry point for long-term investors. TD Cowen named Cigna a Best Ideas 2026 pick with a $333 price target, citing its de-risked valuation and conservative guidance. This market leader is undergoing a strategic transformation that, while causing temporary short-term pain, positions it for substantial long-term gains. Finally, we have Lantheus Holdings Inc., ticker LNTH. Lantheus Holdings is a Massachusetts-based radiopharmaceutical powerhouse, developing and commercializing diagnostic and therapeutic agents primarily for cancer and neurodegenerative diseases. They're strategically positioned at the forefront of precision diagnostics, and while their flagship product Pylarify, an imaging agent for prostate cancer, has seen some recent pricing pressures, its volumes continue to climb, showcasing robust underlying demand. Their other core product, Definity, an ultrasound-enhancing agent, is consistently delivering over 6% year-over-year growth, demonstrating its enduring market leadership and stability. But here's where the true upside lies. Lantheus is aggressively diversifying its portfolio. The FDA's acceptance of their new drug application for MK6240, an investigational PET imaging agent for detecting tau pathology in Alzheimer's disease patients, is a game-changer. This market alone is estimated to reach over $1.5 billion by 2030, offering a monumental growth runway. Furthermore, Lantheus is gearing up for the potential approval of a new F18 PSMA PET formulation in 2026, which could significantly boost production efficiency and potentially qualify for 3 years of transitional pass-through payment status. Despite some temporary pricing headwinds and a planned CEO transition, Lantheus maintains a stellar 63.5% gross profit margin, showcasing exceptional profitability. Analysts are recognizing this hidden potential, with Truist Securities recently upgrading Lantheus to buy with an $80 price target, projecting accelerated growth and profits from late 2026 through 2027. This company is a specialized healthcare leader with a robust core and significant pipeline catalysts. Now, let's take a quick look at the numbers for these 7 incredible opportunities. When we talk about investment accessibility, Catalyst Pharmaceuticals and Soleno Therapeutics stand out with current prices of $23.34 and $46.30 respectively, offering lower entry points for investors. On the other end, Cigna and Icon plc are higher priced, reflecting their larger scale and established market positions. In terms of market capitalization, we see a vast spectrum. Soleno and Lantheus are on the smaller side at $2.53 billion and $4.46 billion. CVS Health and the Cigna Group, however, are titans with market caps exceeding $100 billion and $74 billion respectively, representing more stable, diversified plays. Now, for revenue, CVS Health and the Cigna Group generate hundreds of billions. Meanwhile, companies like Soleno, though smaller in revenue, are showing explosive percentage growth from a lower base. Gross margin is where profitability gets interesting. Biopharma companies like Soleno, Catalyst, and Biomarin demonstrate superior gross margins, ranging from 81% to an incredible 98% for Soleno. In contrast, Diversified healthcare providers like CVS and Cigna, with broader service offerings, naturally operate with lower gross margins, typically below 15%. When it comes to returning value to shareholders, CVS Health and Cigna offer compelling dividend yields of 3.3% and 2.2% respectively, appealing to income-focused investors. The remaining companies are primarily in growth mode, reinvesting profits back into the business, hence no dividends. Finally, earnings per share tells us who's truly profitable. Cigna leads with a whopping $22.81 per share, followed by Catalyst at $1.79 and Biomarin at $2.72. While Soleno currently shows a negative earnings per share, remember its recent Q3 was highly profitable, indicating it's rapidly turning the corner after heavy R&D investment. These are 7 cheap stocks, each with compelling catalysts and significant upside potential identified by analysts, poised to skyrocket before 2026. Which of these undervalued powerhouses do you believe has the strongest potential to deliver the biggest returns? Which one are you adding to your watch list, or perhaps even your portfolio, for the next 2 years? Drop your insights, predictions, and any other cheap stocks you're watching in the comments section below. And don't miss our video right here on the 7 most undervalued stocks to buy right now.